Welcome to day 2. I've completely given up on trying to look good. Surprisingly, if you can imagine, yesterday I did put a little effort in. But yeah, today we're still feeling sick, but we're gonna make some soap because wash your hands. Okay. So, I don't fully know the plan for what we're gonna make. It's definitely going to be some melt and pour soap, which just means that you get some clear, or you could have white, glycerin soap. They have all sorts of different things. I got this on Amazon, but you can get it from Brambleberry. They have like goat's milk and honey milk and a lot of different soaps. And you just have to cut it up, melt it up in the microwave, add some color things, and you put it in a mold, which I lost. And you can add some fragrance. I don't really like fragrance, but for soap you kind of need to use fragrance sometimes because essential oils don't always smell in it. So yeah, just gonna cut up some soap, probably about a pound. Have fun watching me cut this soap. Okay, so now we have melted soap, and I have to figure out what I want to do with it. I have these little stars and moons that I made at one point for a different project, but let's see. The fragrance is called a grapefruit lily, so maybe like some pink. Please leave. Please go. Start by adding some mica into this. When you melt it, you want to melt it in like 15 to 30 second increments because you don't want the soap to boil or get too hot. This one's actually still a little, it's still like not all the way melted, but it'll melt up when I stir. So let's do one that's like pink. It'd probably be better if you could see it, but I don't know how to do all those like camera things. Now, I guess I was thinking I could do like a little bit of like a pearly white. Then I could add these gold stars as it's kind of hardening. So let's try that out. There's also these cubes that are like good for, actually I'm gonna use that, I think. These kind of color block cubes are great for when you're making some melt and pour soap. It's like a really condensed amount of point. Actually, I'm going to cut this a little more, just so that it's easier to break up. And put it in here. So you can see, Can you see? No, you can't. Ooh. We're back. It's a different day. I've got glasses on. Okay. Hello. It's a different day. We're at a table and the soap is ready to cut. I went kind of crazy. I don't need these. They're honestly not real. They're for the computer. I don't need them in real life. Let's unmold this. I hope that you can see me. If not, that's it. Alright, so you gotta kind of break the seal, if you will. Let's hope I don't ruin this. Well, it only took me 15 minutes to get this out of here, but there's one casualty, this star. I tried to do something fancy. Let's just cut it up and see how it looks. Nice. Wow. So there you have it. If you need any soap, I've got a lot. The end.